Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by engineering and project management firm Lycopodium, ASX code LYL. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Lycopodium, Peter DeLeo. Hi, Peter.
Hi, Matt.
Lycopodium is a Perth-headquartered global engineering and project delivery firm providing a range of services for the evaluation and development of major projects, principally in the resources sector, but also in the areas of infrastructure and industrial processing, a growing market sector. Lycopodium also undertakes financial feasibility studies for proposed mining operations, and despite problems associated with COVID-19, still managed solid bottom-line growth in FY21. Okay, firstly, Peter, just tell me high level, what were the three big contract wins for Lycopodium in financial year 21?
Yeah, three of the bigger ones were the Ahafo North project, gold project in Ghana for Newmont, basically a long-standing relationship continuing there. The Seguela gold project for Rox Gold, or now Fortuna Silver, in Côte d'Ivoire, where we're delivering that project on a design and supply and construction services basis. And then here, further close to our head office, Talison MSA project for Talison in Lithium down in Greenbushes.
I see Sandfire awarded you the job to do the engineering and procurement at their Matheo copper project in Botswana. Why do you think you won that contract and what did it involve?
Well, Matheo is a nice-scale copper concentrator copper project for Sandfire. It's their first foray into Africa, and it really talks to the sweet spot of Lycopodium skills in terms of the size of the copper concentrator. It talks to the fact we have our engineering capabilities here and also within South Africa, and we also have our delivery capabilities here in South Africa and in Botswana, where, of course, the project is. We're currently doing the engineering and procurement phase and rolling into the construction management phase shortly.
Lithium's red hot right now. I know a few companies are trying to work out how to create IP to process lower grade lithium. Lepidico is one of them, and when I read their announcements, I see your name involved. How have you been involved in that?
Yeah, so we've been involved in, the feasibility study phase. Pidico brought the process, call it smarts, to the table in terms of the technical side. We've then done the general process engineering and all the engineering and other aspects of the feasibility study. And we're now awarded the EPCM contracts for the delivery of projects in Namibia and in the UAE associated with the Lepidico process and obviously the production of lithium.
What was your net profit after tax for financial year 21 and how did it compare to the previous year?
It was 14.2 million, up from 11.8 in FY20.
And I see you paid out about 25-cent dividend too, so you must be doing something right. Peter DeLeo from Lycopodium, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.